Is Naman? So the
Yes, ma'am, it started now, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
yes. Okay. So signature file is going to be a form of creating index structure for your text data. But the only difference is in case of inverted indexing, okay, you'll be making use of term frequency. Sometimes you will make use of this inverted index querying for performing the for creating index. But in case of signature file, this is also a alternate form of creating indexing for a text file, but we will be making use of hashing technique for performing this. Okay. The drawback of the signature file is it is not suitable for large set of text data. So how you will create an index signature file and how to search it, we have seen in the last class. Okay. Initially, what you will do, you will be given a block of text data. See, in this example, we are seeing a very small quantity of text data. This is only few KBs of data is available here, but we can scale up to several MBs of data, but for GBs of data, this particular signature file will not work out. Okay, that is the drawback of it. So what you will do, you will first divide it into small blocks, and for each text data, okay, for each word, okay, we will remove the this is here. All the connecting words will be removed, and accordingly, only for the words which are expected to get searched, okay, that alone will be initialized with some hash value. Okay, we will apply a hash function, and the hash function will uniformly get applied over the words, and you will get this hash function result. Okay, so for text the hash value is 000101. For many the hash value is 110000. Okay, so now using these hash values which is available for a word, we will create a hash value for the entire block. Okay, but the thing is, this is here will not be considered. Only for text you will be applying the hash value. Okay, so how to do that? How to compute the block value for each block? For text you give that is the main word. So h of block 1 is equal to h of text. So you will get the same result. See, in the second block, what are the text available? What are the words which are very important? Underlined words are important. That means for only for those words, we are going to apply the hash. We are going to compute the hash value. Okay. Text many. So what you have to do is you have to perform bitwise OR operation between the text and the many. Okay, what is the value of text? Text value is 000101, or okay, or bitwise OR with h many 110000. Okay, so you'll be obviously getting when you're performing bitwise OR 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 or 0 1 0 0 0 1 or 0 1 0 or 0 0 1 or 0 1. Okay, so in this way you have to compute the hash value for every block. You see in this example, block 3 words bitwise or with words. In block 4 made bitwise or with letters. So by computing the hash value for each block, you are going to create this as a signature file. So what is a signature file? See, this is the signature file. That is the signature file of the text is nothing but the block value of that is the hash value of each block. So what is the hash value of block 1 double triple 0101? Second is 110101. So in this way you're going to find the get the signature file. And another important aspect is you will be connecting each and every block using a cascaded pointer reference. Do you got it? Block 1 will be connected with block 2 using a pointer reference. So at the end of every block, hash value of every block, there will be a pointer which will be pointing to the beginning of the block to represent that this 000101 belongs to block 1. 00010101 belongs to block 2. Okay, so in this way you will be um, just wait a minute, I'll just put it as full screen.
Ma'am, how do we calculate the hash values for each of the word? Like, is there any formula or anything?
Standard formula, but the thing is, you can apply any hash function. Hash function means you will be applying some that particular block, okay, modulus of the total number of blocks in the particular text. Based on some formula, you can make use of the hash function. There is no standard formula since these signature files are used for some security, like a cryptographic functionality to improve the security of the data. They can encrypt the data using several hash functions. See, by looking into this data, this is by looking into this data in the signature file, can you decode the actual text? No, it is not easy to decode because we don't know what is the hash function. So only if we create a hash function which is very rigid, okay, so that it will compute some hash value for each block, it will improvise the security of the particular text data that you want to secure. Okay, so hash function is customized. Okay, it is up to the developer to compute the hash value. For example, I'll give you a small example over here. The pen is okay. For example, I will give you a number like a set of numbers I want to say. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that number mod 10. Okay, number mod 10 is going to be my hash function. Okay, so what will be the result? The number mod 10. Okay, for example, 32 is my data that is available in my text file. Okay, that is going to be the value returned by the word. 32 mod 10. What is the result? 2. Okay, so 2 is going to be the data which is available as a binary form in the signature file, but I don't know what is the actual word that I have to store. That will not be available for the users. Okay, so you can create and customize your own hash function, okay, which is more rigid enough so that no one can decode it. Okay. See, in this example, now I have to look for a
Ma'am, we
particular
can't
pattern
see your
read.
screen.
Okay, the screen is visible to you.
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
Ma'am.
Give me. Uh, it is going into non-responding mode. Okay, wait. Class. Minute. I think it's been non-responding mode.